Cars and Coffee season closer, Hobby Lobby, California, Maryland. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. All right, let's start off with some trucks.
Well, you know, the cool thing is,
How about a GT500? Like 07-ish, and then a later Mach 1. Nice Caprice. Still powered by the LT1, or no? Yeah. LT1 with external coil pack conversion. There's a nice box Caprice. Nice GTO. 69, I think. That's got the LS swap going on in there. Nice Mopar street rod. Billy's, huh? There's John. There's a Ford. There's a Grand Prix. MG. A nice 62, huh? Not a huge turnout, but not bad. Going to the racetrack later, there's a swap meet and test and tune. And we might shoot some video out there, I'm not sure. Nice late 70s, early 80s E28. Good look at Chevelle at 55. Nice Nova. Good looking stuff. 55. Chevy Post. Nice. Got traditional big block in there. Nice looking Pontiac here. This, haven't seen this one before. It's like a 67 full-size Chevy. Neat work on the flames. Shaved door handles. It's pretty nice. 56, I think we featured that car before in one of our spotlight videos. Cadillac. A couple other things through here. It's kind of chilly this morning, but it's not bad now.
there'll be people.
Not bad at all.
You just popped backing up. I heard that.
John's got one of his speed boats out here, race boats.
How you doing, John?
Good. There's no seat because you just kneel in here, right?
That's right. Just kneel. One handful of throttle, one handful of wheel and angle.
That's really cool.
About 186 horsepower.
That's a lot for a boat.
Yep. And that boat, when it was built, was one of the lightest boats in the world at that size. That boat weighed 311 pounds when it was fully rigged without the motor.
Wow. So how fast can that go?
That boat will run 90 miles an hour at least, even with my fat backside in it.
Wow. That's awesome.
I was well over 90 down at Portsmouth when I was running down there. Yeah.
Who's Rudy?
He was a really famous black driver, one of the first black drivers here locally and in the country. And he was very competitive, very good driver. I told my grandson when he showed up one day at the shop, I said, "Here's the world's fastest black man." He just grinned. And he was a hell of a driver, a hell of a competitor, great guy. Worked for the post office for years and years.
Very good.
With the center front end too, right?
Yep.
You still got that?
Yes, sir.
It's a lead sled.
Just sit back there and let nature take him back. Got the old 57 Chevy. Got
Nice looking Camaro here with the cow hood. RX-7.
Yeah.
Couple Skylines. Seen these before. These are neat. It's like carbon fiber hood on that one.
I'm in like 6 years of stops like
Clean Kia next to a Charger. We missed that Ford over there. We'll go look at that in a minute. Boss 302 Mustang is like a 12 or 13. 69 Mustang Grande. Not the sports roof, but the Grande. That's a Triumph Stag, not sure. Guys are welcome to correct me in the comments. I can't know them all. I know quite a few, but there's a bunch that I don't know. Some pretty big tires on that. Got the turbo exhaust coming out of the fender there. One of the Caprices. LSGM motor turbo. Pretty neat. All right, let's go do some of these other rows.
Man, gorgeous.
It is
About a 1950 Chevy truck. Wow. That's in really good shape. Well done. Nice. All right, let's keep moving. Got one of the newer Mustangs here. And Power Stroke truck. Looks like it might have a bit of a lift kit on it. It's a Chevy SS. It's based on the Holden Commodore, just like the Pontiac G8 was. An LS motor under the hood there. Look at the wheels on that. That's neat. A nice BMW here. Actually, looks like a couple nice BMWs. Nice. Look at this. It's pretty fast. Monster truck here. I don't even know how I'd get in there. The lift kit and everything. So
when I race,
the rocker panel's pretty high off the ground there. Now let's look at this before we go to this other row. Oh, that's clean. Audi. There's a couple more Mopars here. I'm sorry, I'm losing my mind. Cut. Okay, a couple more foreign cars here. It's a Honda. It's a VW. It's a 57 Chevy sneaking in over there. A Honda.
Morning.
What are you doing? What a neat paint treatment. How'd you do that?
It's a wrap.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you just kind of just stick it on there, which is pretty nice. So hides all the 30-year-old stuff.
Hey,
underneath.
it works.
It works.
That was unexpected.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree.
It's old and new.
Very nice. All right, there's a Charger, a couple of Mustangs. Some more things through here. Honda. Couple of Broncos. Hey, how you doing?
Good morning. Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Rent me. Need a truck, you can rent it. That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
A VW and an Audi. Another Audi. Toyota. '37 Ford. That's neat. Here's a Ford. Check this out. Eggs, milk, bananas, bread, ham, and pepper. Fairly neat. It's a Hyundai. Cadillac. I would drive it. Lexus. We missed the square body there before the Challenger. 340, that's nice. Couple 70s Corvettes. There's Billy 62. A nice looking car. 62 Impala. Traditional small block. Got power steering brakes. Hey, how you doing? This GMC truck, we've seen him before. Pretty nice. It's Model A. Stock. The inline 4-cylinder there. Gas is in the cowl here, and gravity feeds down, so there's no fuel pump. Really nice simplistic design. Corvette, big block of blower on it. Interesting passenger there. So this truck looks pretty tame. Look at the traction bars under the back. Uh-oh, look here. He got a turbo on it. A little bit of a surprise package there. That's pretty neat.
Those are, wait, what the fuck?
All right.
Not RPM ones, but it's something else.
Corvette, I think we saw that before, I'm not sure. And then there's a nice motorcycle here. Harley. '69 Chevelle. Man, what a great restoration on that car. We've seen that one before. '68 Camaro 327. Wow. Got air conditioning on that. Looks like a 2-barrel, yeah. '67. That's a nice looking car too. Got a Buick here. Park Avenue, when they switched to front wheel drive. That's what you ended up with. So yeah, here's another overview of everything. So that'll do it for Cars and Coffee 2025 season. Not a bad turnout for the season closer. Thank everybody for watching. Please subscribe. We're trying to hit the 10,000 subscriber mark. We're pretty close. So any support is greatly appreciated. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks.